Hi, this is for Ranboo specifically. If you aren't him, leave now. Yes, I'm still a fan of him. No, I don't care if you bully me. I was just watching the video that is called Deleting This Soon, and it says let's talk. I really thought he was about to quit. I I thought that deleting this soon meant he was gonna delete his channel, which I don't know why, because he has 3 million subscribers. One of them being me. I I was scared for a second, but since I sound probably really stupid and like a nerd right now, I'm gonna stop this. I